Got it done for me, guys. Got it done.
Go ahead and shut it off and then restart it. You know, it's not.
Let's see. He got it done. It's working. You guys, Flint, Michigan, Holly area, LKE. Contact him. It took no time at all. He got it in. I'm grateful. We back in action. That's all I can remember. This is the stolen car that just came. Oh, hold up now. Okay. Let me unlock these doors right fast. This is the stolen car that just came back that was smoked in, junked. Oh, they left me a half a tank of gas. I'm happy about that, I guess. LKE, they came out immediately for me. They based out of Holly, I think Holly, Michigan. But they came out to Flint, Michigan for this appointment. I appreciate you guys cleaning this thing up today.